Remake up the Aju Kamadaya Baubing. Outer independent candidate Ellison Bonmaiwi campaign li Kamajit Kahab Shok the Long Now Ping na Makamia Pongsho Kaira. Lakavak INC candidate Bimol Akwajamwi campaign lila Kahab Shokaira. 2023 Mudibur car bomb blast case accused Kaniwi Tungli NIA na charge sheet file Sahira. Lake Hangutor, Ache the Dangku Express Wibao, Rinjipe Mirza in a Bamidale, Bao Bing Mesa in a Nang Rumsa. Outer Manipur MP seat Ngapaigi the Kalay, independent candidate Dr. Ellison Bonmaiwi, campaign li, Kamajit Kahab Shog Highway Wang, Long Now Bing na condemn Sahira. Maram he Liangmei Longray Assam, Nagaland, Aina Manipur wi Liangmei, Naga Rondi City Ngade the wi, Zelengrong Students Union, Zelengrong Civil Organizations Nala, Migzang Mida Makamia Pongsho Kaira. 18 Lok Sabha Manipur Outer Manipur election Huivang, Abon Maikala Awi team na, Tarik Trada Akatang Noni Aina, Tangmeng Long Chong campaign Gazip Kwigang Kawai Gsali, Majid Otsak Aina Gakam Lay Hawa. Otsak Chi democratic principles li, Mudung Maganda free and fair elections, Leiran li Matai Kamina da Makamia Pongsho Kaira. Kamajit Kaya Kangasak Shongza Kwida, Kahaba Bingjina campaign team Jiwi Karili, Tek Haikasa campaign flags la Kwimi Hao, Kana Tangmeng Longwi, Rani Guiding Lung Women's Market li, Atei Shirai, Huntotap Aina Tangda, Mulong Sak Tuwachi. Dr. Abonmai media cell na Udili, Kapong Ta Aka, Kagdom Now Pinglila Kasham Hao, Zelengrong artist Pinglila performance hang sak tu, Sayhang Sa Aina Tangda Kamda, program Chili Sayha Masa by Murada Pastorilla Hangmatin Hawachi. Campaign Li Jithada Kahab Bingji, NSCN IM Wimina the claim Sayagji, Abonmai media cell na Hangsang Ngagala, City Ngade with Zelengrong Students Union Pingnala, Jithada Pen Babama. Otsak Chili Makamia Long Bingjina, Ngade the condemned Kasa Kapishoka. Freedom of speech and expression Mishunli, Naig Shankala voters Pingwi, Ningjang Aina Kapangkawai, Kanji Kuti Kami Otsak Aina, democratic values li Kahat Ngasaya da Atumna condemn Sahira. 2023 Manipur car bomb blast case accused Kaniwi Tungli, NIA na charge sheet file Sahira. Hangda Kalay case he 2023 Mukada Aka Thang, Pongok Chawli, Awang Laikai Aina, Wakta Matak Witong, Tidim Road NH02, Bishnuburli Kushokna. Mahindra Scorpio Akali bomb Sang Mihai Gasa, Kangwogli Migutum Saza, Tong Jila Saza, Ngalemwi electric pole, electrical sets Kala, Shimbinglila Saza Yachi. National Investigation Agency NIA charge sheet Tagahai Kaniji, Mohammed Nur Hussein alias Tomba, alias Mohammed Nur Hassan Gala, Say Minlun Gande alias Minlun Hoya. Minlun Jina Ochotiwi Kamadaya Ningrak Karagaki, conspirator Nachi. Anikani Witungli Indian Penal Code, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, the Explosive Substances Act, 1908 Kala, Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act, 1984 we Azingli charge Sahira. Hussein Li Ajagum, Tatraha Tradak Turuk Tang Tukuya. SUVG Hussein na, Taulaga, Wakta Tong Jili, Vakami Kahainachi. Kana Ali Tong Rum Gasachina, IEDG Ngok Nsak Kawai, Hapok Mia da Hanga. Gang Te Li Ajagum, Ngapay Tarik Kani Tang Li Tukuya. Pauhi PTI we Aina Sampanga. Hushu Kuwi administration governance system li Kangajay Kwira Haira the Hushu Village Council na Pau Mikshokchi Mamashung Manada Village Authority na Turkami Shokhaira. Channel Hili Pau Mirada Hushu Village Administration G Hetman na Katan Village Authority we Aina Village Council li Ngajay Gahai Pau Tarik Turuk Tang Shoka. System G Muyo Mugada Katum Tang Ke Ahupwi Kamaya Zangda Kangajay Kwikarana Gaji Hangsai. Kahangda Kalay Hushu Village Council Gohoji, Village Authority with Makamia Zangda, Kasem Maning Mana, Jithada Sada Council Jili, Kuna Mujut Mami Managaji, Ngerik Jithai Haira. Maram he Ukrul District Deputy Commissioner Li Kapivada Kahang, administration system li khangaje khira hairada khangawauchi ramnau akha khnina sabapha gachina kala chithada khangawauchi MGNREGS chairman kathar kagapangli phapma kata la mring pha khalai aina kasana chi haira atumna village council the letterhead kala seals kathar semkhilaga shijin kaphokna chi haira makha mashung khangawauchi ramnau pingwiwangla khangakngsada khang gai khwai gsali makhamya phongcho khaira kala otsakchi hetman nala mamaya mana gchi hangsanga Hushu village li ngai nga da kapam thotrin chan malai mana khanawa village general assembly muyo tarik truk thangpam da chila chingri eina kupsanga chi village authority hetman na thanda thaklak eina yari gzi pamra da lei chili village council go ho chiwi kathana pingla jangda stakeholders saigora janglaga MGNREGS chairman kapang khawai gala maram gata daida ngisan rachi Hushu village council la maning akha group kipa khashirnu Hushu village wiwang da khajui mingnin salaga khikharang poli district administration na miyang sang milo da mujut ma milo da Hushu village authority na pohaira Asian kana world bodybuilding physique nghanli wazang khawai Indian team wiwang Manipur team kapang ugida leidalai nghan ji wiwang all Manipur body builders association ambana trial selection rungmi gidalai selection ji akhma tarik thada phanga thang amba office Kumanam Park main stadium li ngshun pung khni li habokrachi hangda khalai trial selection hi 56 Asian bodybuilding and physique Sports Championship 2024 kala 15 WBBF World Bodybuilding and Physique Sports Championship 2024 nghan wiwangna kalachi Manipur wi aina team India li jangkhawai wiwang kabangi kichina ambali mingjan sa gahai players saigorana trial chili claim aina jangpai players pingna valid passport singralu chidale nghan chi categories hangphanga leira bodybuilding kala physique category men's women's ladies junior kala master wi ngada de leira team Indian wi selection trial na May Karam Tarik Trada akha aina Trada khani thang Kochi Kerala li sagi kichina 18 Lok Sabha election ngai uda khangran ka sawi kshog jang yang khawai authority ping yukhul kala khamjong wi DCS DOS li kharjan ka sahaira Second Outer Manipur Parliamentary Assembly Constituency wi Additional Chief Electoral Officer and Pravin Singh Gala Joint Secretary Election Department ke bonona yukhul li kada yukhul wi assembly segments khani gala khamjong wi assembly segments akhawi khangaran maram DC Conference Hall yukhul li ngasan haira Kazip Chili districts khani ni wi nodal officers ping wazangda athumna sada khale presentation mingro khaira Election wiwang khangran li manpower training computerization material management SVEEP law and order EVM MCC expenditure electoral roles complaint redressal and voter helpline hikatawi khangran hangche yachi Ukrul district we transport nodal officer antishuda election odngurut wiwang gari shamati trada mati dargar gasali shagatum hangphanga da gatum samphang haira gatai hangtruk da akhaji masangla ngaran haura Law and order shong yang akha Ukrul district we shaka hangmati da phanga poll stations ngijaili poll stations trada shini hi critical hangmati da jishat na vulnerable kala hangjishat na normal da mujut haidalai Security Personnel Central Forces we aina kuida BSF koi tra kala CISF koi gutum da companies trada gutum jihora kala state we shapanga hangmati da shini police shagatum hangphanga da shini VDF HG shijinra da hanga Kamjong we assembly segment akali shina polling stations trada mati kala model polling station aka total hangshini da tishat polling stations lera Kamjong district le shagatum trada khni polling personnel haira shakani hangtruk da aka gari shijinra da hanga Tengobal district Aimol Kuki village le security forces na bungers vasa khaida migala khutlai tukui haira and now atishuda bunkers kutum Vagakaili Border Security Force BSF kala Assam Rifles na kuki now turukli tukui hawa. Atumuli leigisa kutlai motorcycles kala documents kwimi haira. Operation ji sotang motor bung mati shikali kawana tukui gahai mi bingji zadra gahai gajangli makamashung od kasali zanga dahanga. Tukui gahai kutlai bingji now my double barrel, single barrel, hand grenades kala ammunition zanga. Tobol District Shongla, Pechi Village Operation Kavali, firearms and explosives Sampangachi. Investigations la legal action wivang to quick high mi bingkala could lie police li bisang haira. Pambay led UNLF cadres kutumli, Tangda Jihomi Kavai Board Federation of Civil Society Organizations, FOCS Manipur Prime Minister li Memorandum bisang haira. Memorandum Chili Kahang, Muyo Trada Gutum Tong NIA na Pembay led UNLF cadres Gutumli, Dugukuiji ceasefire agreement li Mutum Maganda Yaruivang Kangak Saya. Dukui Gahai Gutum, Tokjom Sidabam Mabu, Laimayum Anand Sharma, Kala Taunajam Ibomja Atumhi, State with Peace Process li, Kamadai Odmurut Kwimigahai Bing na da FOCS na hanga. Pambay led UNLF cadres Bing na, Readers High Gasa Otsagli Immunity Milga, Jingri Kavai, Kuirang Kavai, the Government of India Gala, Pambay led UNLF na ceasefire agreement chi, November 29, 2023 li, Shoy Gasana the organization China Hang Sanga. Shorgarwi Pegar Jili Yari, Mring Palak Turag Jihangda, Cadres Ping Jili, Tuknerbam Aka, peace process the Dakalehili, Kahab Teda, Munibur Yari Aina Shorgarwi Alungli, Shitkasang Shiman Sakta conflict Rashok Bai Gachi, FOCS na Hangtin Haira. Yari Junkana Shijinda Gatay, Born Vitaji held drink category with Aina Kushok Kavai, Center na Jizumi Haira. Ministry of Commerce and Industry na e-commerce companies Pingli advisory mida, Mangkavai Born Vita, Mang Maningla drinks Aina, beverages Saingora, held drinks category li Masanglu Jihaira. E-commerce na Gahanghi, Arihon Internet Shijinda online li, Odd Your Kamipam, Amazon, Big Basket, Flipkart Higatali Gahangna. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR Inquiry li Tegukui Atishuda, FSSAI Gala, Mondelez India Food PVT, LTT na submit kasa, FSS Act 2006 Rules and Regulations Azingli, held drink he, Kajigatali Kahanglang Kala, Ngurik Aina Jitay Kami, Malaytu. Born Vita he Mondelez India with Azingli Kalay, Getbury with Odyur Akana. Itumna Taybai, NCPCR na, Pangshok Atishuda Born Vitali, Sugar Shuru Gazang Jila, Mayagapai limits li henda Zangasa Takuya. Dairy based meaning aka malt based beverages, being health drinks category Azingli, Muyorkavai, FSS, AI nala, e-commerce portals li Jizikami Shokhairasai. Ladluida Aju Kamataya Baubing. Outer independent candidate Ellison Bonmaiwi campaign li Kamajit Kahab Shokta Long Now Ping na Makamia Pongsho Kaira, Lakavak INC candidate Bimol Akwajamwi campaign nila Kahab Shokaira. 2023 Mudibur car bomb blast case accused Kaniwi Tungli, NIA na charge sheet file Sahira. Achu Bao Hiling Jang Haira, Bao Nada Kalay Tum Sai Gorali, Ring Pankala Kamahaya Jim Shok Saserano.